guy right here, man. Y'all follow my guy, subscribe to my guy channel, man.
First weekend doing it. It's gonna be called ZBA 70, putting on for all of Jonesboro, Arkansas, and all the Arkansas people anyway. So we're gonna show you how we do it down here, man.
There, what? Tell him again.
ZB 870, baby.
That what's up. Hey man, y'all, I'm gonna put that down in the description, man. Y'all make sure y'all give my boy a follow, man. He's starting his first YouTube channel, man, and we're gonna try to get these numbers up there, man. Yes sir, yes sir. Oh, y'all good. You wanna be in the video?
I was trying to get out of it.
Nah, you good, you good.
You know it.
Y'all see I got my car in the car show, man. Y'all see it. See what number I come on with.
I like the motto. Go get y'all made. I gotta put it down. I ain't pretty no quicker today. Yeah.
I got the pillows in the back seat. Got the pillows in it. Got the pillows, man. Hey man, man. Y'all follow me, man. Mr. Why Not 345, man. Y'all subscribe to your boy, man.
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah, he been hitting that down.
Hey, let me hear him talk. One time. Let me hear him talk one time.
What? He said something, man. You hear that Mustang, man? Why not check doing that?
The thing about it, put everything beside us, make that move.
Hey, these folks is wild, man. Woo! Yes, sir. You stars out. You stars out. Mofo always stars out. Why you set that Mustang down, man? I can't. Nice ladies right there. Nice ladies over there. Show y'all what they. Let me show y'all on top what they got on top of their car right quick. Let me show you the top of their car. So what? Hold on, I gotta get back here. Man, I'm back with it, man. Y'all probably can hear me, man. I still got some music going on everywhere else, man. And so I'm gonna try to talk a little loud and everything, but I'm gonna want y'all to see this right here, man. Here, man. This her right here. You see it, man. Yeah, I like that. Look at it. This person on this car, man. The president of this car right here, Miss Candy. Miss Candy, how you doing? You all right? Let me show you who we're talking to right here, man. This car right here. Ooh, Miss Candy, president. She riding good, looking good.
Thank you.
Tell me where they can find you at.
Candy Camaro. Any Candy Camaro 13, Instagram, Facebook, all of them.
Oh yeah, we got that. We're gonna make sure we plug that up in there. And what All-Star?
Don't forget that Memphis All-Star Car Club, MACC.
Y'all see it. Memphis All-Star. Hold on. Let me get that right there. There we go. She got all that long hair in the way, but we got it. Memphis All-Star Car Club. And we got the vice president in the building too, you know. You know, the president role, the vice president role with her. You know what I mean? You know, they roll together, so let me show you what here. Ooh, that's the vice president. You see it right there. You see the car club. Ooh, Memphis All-Star. That's what she working with right here. You see it. Hey, look what they doing though. Boom. Oh, you see it, man. she at, man? She in the building, though. She followed a president, man. So they ride together. They close. So she go. Wham! Look at her. Hey, Miss Linda, what's up? How you doing? Tell them where they can find you at. You see it. You see it. She ready too. They rolling good up in here, man. They rolling good. Yeah, I like all this. Show you the rest of it right here. Ooh. You see my guy back here chilling, man. He's back here chilling. He's in. This end is done right here. Let me look at the back of it right here. He chilling. Look at this. You on chill mode? Chill mode. He's he got it cut. He got it chill. Boom. See that blue right there? How you doing? This your car? This your car? I like this. What's your name? You got YouTube, Facebook, IG? What's your Facebook?
Brick.
Who? Brick. Okay. Oh, make sure we look that up. I like this. I like that blue. How you doing, man? You want to shout something out? You got Instagram, Facebook?
Nah, I'm good.
You good? I like that, man. I like that look good. I like all that. Mr. Why Not 345 on YouTube and Instagram.
Where I'm gonna find this at?
Mr. Robinson, man.
On what?
Mr. Robinson.
On what?
Turn me up, one time. Turn me up.
Yeah, Instagram is on?
One time.
Okay.
One
That's where I'm gonna find you at, man. I'm be looking for it, man.
Okay. Hey, turn me up. Turn me up. One time. Hey, turn me up. One time. Hey, turn me up. Turn me up. One time. Hey, turn me up. Turn me up. One time. Hey, turn me up. Turn me up. One time. Hey, turn me up. Turn me up. One time. Hey, turn me up. Turn me up. One time. Hey, turn me up. Turn me up. One time. Hey, turn me up. Turn me up. One time. Hey, turn me up. Turn me up. One time. Hey, turn me up. Turn me up. One time. Hey, turn me up. Turn me up. One time. Hey, turn me up. Turn me up. One time. Hey, turn me up. I be turned like a wheel. Trust God, no fear. One way like a deal. Got 6 clear. See, I roll with the real. Ain't no judging over here. When that devil wanna fight, get popped like a pill.